When it comes to cooking, having the right cookware can make a world of difference. This Cook Standard 6-quart Stockpot combines durability, style, and performance in a sleek package that will quickly become a kitchen favorite. Whether you're a home cook or a culinary enthusiast, this versatile stainless steel stockpot is designed to help you create dishes that are not only delicious, but also perfectly cooked every time. Let's take a closer look at the features and why this stockpot should be the next addition to your kitchen. Why choose the Cook Standard 6-quart Stockpot? From the high-quality materials used in its construction to its thoughtful design that makes cooking easier and more efficient, the Cook Standard 6-quart Stockpot delivers exceptional value for the price. Whether you're boiling pasta, simmering a hearty stew, or preparing a flavorful soup, this pot has you covered. Below, we break down the standout features that make this stockpot a must-have. Number 1. Professional-grade 1810 stainless steel. The Cook Standard 6-quart stockpot is crafted from brushed 1810 stainless steel, a premium material known for its corrosion resistance and high-temperature durability. This professional-grade stainless steel provides an extra layer of strength and long-term use, which means this stockpot won't warp or deform over time. The material also resists stains, ensuring that the pot looks pristine even after many uses. Number 2. Medium 6-quart capacity. Ideal for home and small restaurant use. With a capacity of 6 quarts, this stockpot is the perfect size for preparing meals for small to medium-sized families or even small restaurant use. Whether you're whipping up a pot of soup, stewing a flavorful dish, or making a batch of pasta, the 6-quart capacity provides ample space for your cooking needs without being too large or cumbersome. It strikes the perfect balance, offering enough room to cook a variety of meals while still being compact enough for easy storage. Number 3. Sturdy, well-sealed lid for heat retention and flavor locking. One of the standout features of the Cook Standard 6-quart stockpot is its sturdy, well-sealed lid. The lid is designed to trap heat and moisture, ensuring your food retains all its flavors and nutrients. This is particularly useful for slow-cooked dishes like stews and soups, where flavor development and heat retention are key. Number 4. Superior heat distribution with aluminum disc capsule bottom. The aluminum disc capsule bottom ensures that the Cook Standard 6-quart stockpot offers even heat distribution across the cooking surface. This feature is crucial for preventing hot spots, areas where the heat is concentrated and can burn your food. The aluminum disc at the base of the pot helps to distribute the heat evenly across the bottom, allowing for efficient and consistent cooking throughout the entire pot. Number 5. Ergonomic slim handle for comfort and easy transport. Cooking with a heavy pot can often lead to discomfort or strain on your hands and wrists. The slim handle on the Cook Standard 6-quart stockpot is ergonomically designed for a comfortable, secure grip. This thoughtful design makes it easier to lift, carry, and move the pot from stovetop to counter, reducing the risk of spills or accidents. Number 6. Multi-stove compatibility, induction, gas, electric, and more. The Cook Standard 6-quart stockpot is incredibly versatile, working with a wide range of stovetops. Whether you use induction, gas, electric, glass, ceramic, or halogen stovetops, this stockpot is designed to perform flawlessly across all surfaces. It provides excellent heat conductivity and efficiency, no matter which type of stove you have. Number 7. Easy to clean and maintain. Cleaning cookware can sometimes feel like a chore, but the Cook Standard 6-quart stockpot is designed for easy maintenance. The brushed stainless steel exterior resists stains, while the smooth interior ensures that food doesn't stick. After cooking, simply pop it in the dishwasher for quick and efficient cleaning, and it will look as good as new. Number 8. Stylish and practical design. In addition to its impressive functionality, the Cook Standard 6-quart stockpot boasts a sleek, stylish design that complements any kitchen decor. Whether you have a modern, minimalist kitchen or a more traditional setup, this stockpot's silver finish will blend seamlessly with your other cookware and kitchen tools. It's not only a practical kitchen tool, but a stylish one as well. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use stockpot, the Cook Standard 6-quart stockpot is a must-have addition to your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.